Ladies and gentlemen, look up in the sky. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's the Einstein of Wall Street walking around the greatest financial institution in the world. The ceiling, the floor, episode 9,875 of What the Heck's Going On, a quarter for 250,000 at 3/8, Wall Street Global Trading Academy, Apex on the ropes. What is going on? Look at this market. Let's just go over it a little bit, okay? We know what was going on, right? We had a government shutdown that stopped, market rallied 1,000 points, and then it's been breaking down because mainstream media is coming up with this catastrophist idea that AI is a bubble. Insanity. Dow down 550, S&P down 58 handles, 1.2 on the tape. We would say it is 5-1 down volume versus up volume. The VIX up. A full 10%, up 12.5%, 2 days in a row. There is obviously starting to have the facade of this market, and the internals are starting to fracture a little bit, right? Is it just fear? Is it profit taking? I mean, how are you going to read it? Let's be transparent. Are they gaslighting us with the economic data and just not giving to us? Is the Federal Reserve actually going to cut rates or not? The understanding is I have as much chance of playing center for the New York Knicks 25-26 series as not going to get a Fed interest rate cut in December. So put that in your pipe and smoke it. All otherwise, look, obviously tech is taking the biggest hit because they've been the outperformers. That's what makes sense. Why not just accept this and go, yes, Palantir earnings were blowout and they sold the stock down 8%. There was a ramp up into the earnings. People have been long it all year. Why not take profits on your high performers and rotate it into some mid cap, small cap, good value stocks? That's what's happening. Not to say that AI is now a bubble and this is a 1995, 1998 moment is absolutely insane. The Microsoft, the Oracles, the Googles, the Metas are putting $600 billion each into building data centers for 5 years out, and you're saying this is a bubble. The Jensen, best of breed, and NVIDIA is creating this fourth industrial revolution, and that is a bubble. I mean, come on. Just say it like it is, that it's November. There's anxiety around the market. People are taking profits. Funds are shutting down for the year, and some of them are shutting down for good because we don't have to mention names because they've just not been in touch with the market. That's what's legit. It's been a great year. Why am I going to take the risk of the uncertainty over the next 6 weeks? Why don't I just take my ball and leave the playground? I don't have to get into a fight before I leave. So let's take this for what it is. It is a Monday. We had Thursday sell off. We had Friday opened down and rallied back. Beautiful action. I thought that was going to happen today, but it was not. We opened up and sold off into the end of the day. So there's a lot on the table, a lot on the map, a lot of moving parts, a lot of components, a lot of uncertainty, and some fear. Let's take it as is. Tomorrow's another day. One day does not make a market. Wall Street Global Trading Academy. If you want to learn to trade, David Green, me, and the team, join us. Link in the bio. I love you all. Have a great night.